Introducing the Casio Epos range with powerful features that can positively impact your business. Use the Casio VR7000 and VR200 tills alongside the Casio mobile ordering and the Casio Cloud Suite to offer your customers more. Attract more customers by sharing promotions on social media directly from your till to increase footfall. For example, early bird specials or 2-for-1 offers. Gain widespread interest by engaging your customers on social media and reward their loyalty with discounts. You can also sell gift cards to generate revenue in advance of sales and build brand awareness. These can be purchased with a simple integrated contactless payment solution, speeding up the payment process. Share promotions on video displays linked to the till. And advertise local businesses to increase your revenue. Give your serving and kitchen staff access to a quick overview of your front of house, so that they can check table availability, which course customers are on, and how many people are seated, with a graphic representation of your table plan. Take orders from the table with Casio mobile ordering and easily upsell add-ons or pause courses. It has a similar layout to the till, so there's minimal training required. Orders are quickly printed in the kitchen, with menu items and customized cooking instructions, or displayed on a kitchen video display system. When it comes to the bill, you can split it so that each customer only pays for what they ordered. You can even split a bottle of wine. Give your customers an easy and stress-free payment process, boosting satisfaction and retention. As the owner, you can limit user access to certain functions for staff depending on their role. For example, only managers can void items or approve refunds. You can use Dallas keys to save valuable time and provide extra security for your peace of mind. Access real-time sales reports in the Casio Cloud Suite from the convenience of your till or any internet-enabled device. Discover the top-selling products, best-performing staff members, peak periods, and important data that will influence future business decisions. Casio, discover a simpler, smarter Epos system that runs as fast as your business.